If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 dress pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by SwitchMe. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by ManChDa. Number 3, by OYAWEI. For more details about this great dress pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4, by ManChDa. Number 5, by Bobo Bird. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Sibosun. Number 7, by Jechin. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Sibosun. Number 9, by Ouyawei. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Carrie Hughes.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.